Now let's start translating this new character that we created with MetaHuman to make it the character that we are going to use to play the game. So let's open the third person character. I'm going to put it in fact here and the Pia character here. And let's keep them both of them in viewport view. And the first thing I'm going to do is on the third character person, before that, sorry, I'm going to get here into the folder of the third character. And I am going to look for the Pia third person character. And I'm going to filter by a skeletal mesh. This filter will be applied to the particular folder that I've selected here. And I want to take this body skeletal that is related to this character. And I'm going to right click, go to skeleton, assign a skeleton, and then I will going to take the SK mannequin because this is the same skeleton that it is used by the default third person character for Unreal. So I'm going to accept. Okay, wait for the rebuilding, and then I can go back to the third person character for the BP, and then going to mesh. And the first thing I'm going to do is to change this skeletal mesh for the new mesh that we just selected, which is the skeletal mesh called FMET and RW body. So I can find it like this here. We can write body, and here is the one we want. Here is, and as you can see immediately, in the viewport, the previous mesh disappeared. And if I compile, save, and try to play the game, now we have only the hands and one part of the feet for this character. So there are some things that we have to add. The adding of the rest of the elements is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to BP, PIA or PIA, and let's start with the first three. So Shift, click, and I'm going to select copy. And in copy, I'm going here back to the third person character and selecting mesh. And there I'm going to paste. Now I need all these elements to be child of mesh. So let's move them here to mesh. Here they are. They're all childs or children of mesh. And then there's just one more that I forgot, which is the face. I can select the face and all the elements of the face. Copy. Go here. Again, select the mesh. Paste. And you will see that the face is out of, well, it's not a child of mesh. So I'm going to put the face inside mesh, and now they are all children of a mesh. The next part is to define, as you can see here, they are not located exactly where they should be. This process is very simple. I'm going to select them all with Shift and click, and then in the positions, in the locations, I'm going to remove this 89 and I'm going to put 0 for the position here. And then I am going to put in 0 the rotation. And as you can see now, the character is looking more center. Now, if we compile at this moment and we try to play the game, there are some things that are not looking very well, to be honest. So let me escape. And now let's fix things one by one. The first one is the torso, which is this section. in BEP PIA, if we go to torso, you will see that the skeletal mesh is this one. So what I'm going to do is select exactly the same skeletal mesh for the third person. So let's go here. I'm going to select hoodie. This is only one. So I selected the hoodie, but now I also have to assign the same skeletal for this particular mesh for the animation. So I'm going to click over it to find it, and then I'm going to say, okay, let's go to skeleton, assign a skeleton, and I'm going to assign the same skeleton that we had for the rest of the character. So let's go accept, okay. And now this section of the animation is going to answer to the same animations and to the same skeleton of the original character. So here we got this one. And the other thing I have to add, as you might see on the mesh, when we go to the mesh, you see that we have an animation assigned for this particular skeleton. So I have to assign this same animation to the rest of the elements. So let's go to torso. And the animation is the ABP Queen. Select Queen, wait for it, compile, save, and run. And things started to working better. Now let's go with the pants. For the pants will be something similar. So let's go to BPPIA. Let's go to, in this case, legs, which are related to the pants, and we can see where are the where is the the skeletal mesh asset that we have to take. So it's called cargo pants. So let's go for it. Here we select the legs. Here will be cargo pants. Here they are. Now again, we have to assign the same skeletal mesh. So we'll find the cargo pants. Here they are. Right click, skeleton, assign a skeleton, and we select this one. Be careful to select the SK mannequin, not the one on the bottom. Accept. Perfect. It is assigned. Let's go here. And the last thing is related to the animation. The animation, it was ABP Queen. Let's wait for it to respond. Perfect. Let's compile. Save. And now we can play. And there you go. We have the pants. The pants are starting to respond. Not everything is working yet, as you can see with the feet, but we'll get there. So the first part with the feet is, of course, let's get to the feet. I don't want to assign the same parts. Let's go to the feet. So the feet, the name of the skeletal mesh is casual sneakers. Okay, let's go here. Casual sneakers. Here they are. Select them. And now let's go to the skeleton. Skeleton, assign skeleton, SK mannequin, accept, okay. There you go. Okay, sorry, I forgot the anim class. ABP Queen, the same for the others. Excellent. Compile, save. Let's go. Let's play the game. And as you can see, we're getting to where we want to go. Nevertheless, we still have a small problem with the feet. How are we going to solve this? I will present the solution in the next lesson.